What's going on, family, and welcome to another episode of Ambitious Eats. Now today we are heading down to Burger Boi here in Wolverhampton, and we are going to be trying out their Early Bird Boi, which is an American kind of breakfast bowl. It looks absolutely amazing. No doubt it's going to taste even better, but we're going to be trying out their Early Bird Boi this morning. So with that being said, let's get in the car, let's head over there, and let's just get in today's video, guys. Now, if this is the first time that you're actually coming across my channel, I want you to do two things. Number one, consider subscribing to the channel. I release 2 food-based videos each and every single week, showing you some of the best places to go and eat in and around the West Midlands. And secondly, consider going across to my Instagram and giving me a follow, and that's where you're going to see some exclusive content that actually won't make it across to the YouTube channel. Let's get into today's video, guys. So guys, I've just left Burger Boi. It's a takeaway, so I've got my food to take home with me. It's piping hot, it smells amazing. I'm going to finish the rest of the vlog from there. So with that being said, there you go. Alright, cool, man, guys. So I've literally just got back home. I'm excited to actually open up my Early Bird Boi. There you go. Take a look at that. Packaging on point. Got the sticker with the branding. I believe this packaging keeps it warm as well, so that's a big plus. I just want to let you guys know something, man. I was speaking with the actual owner of Burger Boi, the franchise, and he gave me two stats that are actually quite impressive. The first one is that Burger Boi is the second largest account on Uber after McDonald's in terms of sales. That's major. That's number one. Number two, Burger Boi Coventry is the largest account, once again, on Uber. That's levels, that is. That is testament to what it is that we're about to taste today. So I actually want to get stuck in. I don't want to waste any more time. I want to have this as hot as possible. So let's open up this bad boy and let's see. Smells amazing still, even after the drive home. Wow. That looks good. Ooh, you got a syrup for the pancakes that are in there as well, I believe. One sec, I'm actually missing cutlery. Give me 1 second. Coolio. So let's take a look and let's see what we have got. Here we have it. The Early Bird Boi. Ooh, it smells nice. I've popped the top, the cover off of it. It smells amazing. So you can see down there, we've got some pancakes down there. We've got a fried egg, some mushrooms. They look like potato bites, 2 chicken tenders, and we've got beans as well. That looks and smells absolutely amazing. So I cannot waste any more time. I have to get stuck in. I have to get involved right now. So the first thing I want to try out is this. I want to try out some of these potato bites. Dip it in some of the beans. Yes. That tastes nice, that does. Honestly, guys, I feel like a box like this would make so much sense, because if it's early in the morning, you need to get some breakfast in, you just want a quick food, this is definitely something that would make sense. As you can see, I'm loving these potato bites. Taste amazing. Let's do this now. This is actually quite funny. I actually have the conversation with a lot of people, and they believe that chicken doesn't belong with breakfast. Chicken doesn't belong with pancakes, with beans, stuff like that. But I'm all for it. I think chicken can go with absolutely anything. So I've just dipped some of the chicken into the bean sauce. Let's give it a try. These guys' chicken tenders. Let me try that on its own with no bean sauce. These guys' chicken tenders taste great. All white inside, well cooked. Once again, seasoned very, very well. Oh, these are amazing. Yes, chicken tender is bang on. Even give the mushroom a try. Give the mushroom a try. Props to the chef, man. Props to the chef. That tastes very good. Even the beans have got a bit of a kick to them. Friday, you got the pancakes underneath. I cannot wait to get involved in the pancakes. I cannot wait at all. Alright, cool. Let's give the fried egg a taste. Hail up the chef, man. Hail up the chef. Honestly, I feel like everything is seasoned in this Early Bird Boi. I feel like everything is seasoned, like absolutely everything. Egg. Smells banging. Tastes even better. Let's do this. I want to try some of the chicken tender with half of a mushroom. Let's give it a go. Yeah, man. Chicken tenders are bang on. Really, really good. Chicken tenders. Seasoned so good. And, excuse the pun, but the taste, so tender. Easy to bite into. Not rubbery. Not difficult to actually bite into. Tender. Nice, soft. Seasoned great. Smell amazing. I actually can't wait to go back and do a video based on Burger Boi's their main menu. I can't wait. The fact that these guys are smashing it on Uber Eats in terms of sales and stuff now and whatnot, sorry, that speaks volumes, that does. And there's a reason behind it. And from tasting just this one meal alone, I can tell straight up without a shadow of a doubt that there is a reason behind why these guys are killing it so much and why these guys are so big. I can tell. And this meal alone is showing me the reason as to why. Now, let's move on to the pancakes. Now, the pancakes are the last. I wanted to leave till last. These guys have got it right. They've got the syrup, which is a major key. Ooh, that's golden syrup as well. Yep, that's that sweet syrup. How it is that we like it. So, what I want to do is this. I'm going to try out some of the pancakes now. And, yeah, let's see how they taste. Right, let's give these pancakes a try. Pancakes, initial feel, nice, soft pancakes. Put the syrup on. Smells nice, dripping with syrup. Honestly, these guys have got it bang on. Like, I can tell the reason as to why these guys are killing it on Uber Eats. I can tell, honestly. I can't really argue about anything that I've tasted today. Everything tastes bang on. I actually almost feel like they've put a bit of their own kind of spin, their own kind of twist on all of the meals that it is that I've tasted today. Chicken tenders was different. Seasoning was a bit different. Even the egg, different. Potato bites, even the beans. Like the beans, I feel like they've got some kind of nice seasoning on them as well. And you can have the beans with absolutely anything. Have them with a chicken tender. Look, I'm actually right now putting the beans on top of the pancake. Don't really eat tomato on its own, but I'm reminded why I don't eat tomato on its own. That's just one thing that's not for me. But I mean, honestly guys, overall, these guys have smashed it. Burger Boi in Wolverhampton, they've absolutely killed it. The meal tastes amazing. I feel like they've got a bit of a twist on how they're seasoning things and how it tastes. But as you guys saw on some of the shots, guys, even the branding of the business, it's bang on. And I do believe that that plays a major part as to how it is that these guys have really crushed it in regards to what it is that they're doing. So if you haven't already, I'd massively recommend each and every single one of you give these guys a try. Their food is amazing and it tastes great. But once again, guys, if this is the first time you've ever come across any one of my videos, I want you to do two things. Number one, consider subscribing to the channel. I upload 2 videos like this each and every single week, exploring brand new food places that you can go in and around the West Midlands, and put on the bell notification as well, so you get a notification every time we upload a brand new video that will keep you up to date on different places that you can try out. And secondly, consider following us over on my Instagram. That's going to be where there's some exclusive content and stuff that won't make it to the YouTube channel, and that then allows us to have a bit of a more intimate, a bit of a closer relationship, because that you'll be able to see me and follow me on what it is that I'm doing day to day. If you want to see a pizza place that has fantastic branding in Wolverhampton and they do things like Nutella pizzas, click this video here. If you want to see a place that does amazing grills, that does lamb chops and has a secret sauce that if you mix with the lamb chops will blow your mind, click this video here.